Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bead Bug's bead stoppers. Now, this is an absolute must-have tool for anyone doing strung jewelry, and the great thing about this is it's just a little spring, so you can see as I kind of pull it back there, that spring opens up, and what we can do is we can add it to our strung jewelry. Now, I have two little examples here. One of them is using beading wire, and I just want to kind of show you on the back side here, you can see that I've opened up those little springs. Now, just as a little extra tip, I like to put mine at least 2 to 3 inches from the end because this is where I'm going to, turn it around and probably add like a crimp or anything like that. So it helps me with some sizing. Now, you do have an option where you can add one, obviously, as you're adding your beads here. And a lot of people will keep their beading wire on the spool as they're going. But if you ever need to like put it down and pick it up, you can just add that. You just kind of put it right around there. And then you can use this and you can throw it in your bag or whatever you need to do. And that's not going to go anywhere. Now, another little thing here is you can actually see that we have two different sizes here. And what I've done is on this one, I've used the smaller or the mini bead bugs. And these are really great because they fit right around Opelon. And this can also work with the beading wire as well. So if you just see it slips over there. You'd want to use this with some lighter beads. So if you are going to work with like some gemstones or something like that, I do recommend going with those bigger ones. But they work just the same. So you kind of have that nice little spring action there. So these are a must-have tool if you're going to do any kind of strung jewelry. And the great thing about it too is that when you use it on both sides, let's say you're creating a design, if you decided that you didn't like this last bead on the back, you can always remove this one and kind of add on a few more or adjust your design as needed. But that way you can kind of work from the center out or from left to right just by sliding it along your cord or your wire there. So that is how you would use the Bead Bug's bead stoppers. Like I said, it's a great tool. We do sell the minis and we sell the regular, and then we sell a pack together, which includes all 8 that you see here. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a lot of fun doing some wonderful strung jewelry. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.